Thinking of developing an app but you are still not convinced what technology to use? I will give you 3 reasons why you should consider TypeScript. First, quality. JavaScript and WebAssembly are the only general-purpose programming languages that browsers understand. The problem is, JS was never intended to be a programming language for big applications. It's a scripting language initially created to validate forms on a website. On the other hand, JavaScript was created to fix this problem by adding things that are missing in JS, like additional syntax for types, at the same time growing with JS ecosystem. TypeScript is a strongly typed programming language that builds on JavaScript, giving you better tooling, which can significantly impact the quality of your code. It provides tighter integration with your editor or IDE, allowing you to catch errors early. TypeScript understands JavaScript and uses type inference to give you great tooling even without additional code. With TypeScript, you can also use new features of ECMAScript today. Of course, for this there are tools like Babel, which can give you a similar experience, but it's a transpiler, not a complete programming language with type checking like TypeScript. But you can say that there are already other languages that are designed for big applications and also have a great tooling. That's true, and there are languages like Python, which is great, for example, for data science, machine learning. There is Rust, Go, which are great for systems programming and performance-optimized scenarios. So why consider TypeScript as your main first choice programming language? The answer is my second point, adoption. TypeScript code converts to JavaScript, which means that it can run anywhere JS runs. For example, in a browser or in runtime environment like Node.js or Dino. Nice thing is that it can be adopted gradually because JavaScript code is TypeScript code. TypeScript is a superset of JS. At 𝗬𝗲𝗵𝗁, we use it in every aspect of our technology stack, together with React to develop web applications, with React Native to develop cross-platform mobile applications, to develop backend solutions with Node.js and Lambda functions when we go with serverless architecture, or Nest.js framework when we go with containers. We use TypeScript to even create cloud infrastructure using AWS Cloud Development Kit, or automated tests using Jest, Cypress, or Details. No surprise that TypeScript was given the award for most adopted technology based on year-on-year growth. There is a tremendous community and ecosystem of libraries and frameworks where TypeScript is a first-class citizen. Last but not least point is about developers. TypeScript exploded in popularity while at the same time maintaining very high levels of developer satisfaction. It's in the top 3 most loved programming languages for the second year in a row, according to Stack Overflow developer survey. According to State of JS, it was used by 78% of respondents, with 83 of them saying that they would use it again. Numbers don't lie. It's also very important that it's much easier to find and hire TypeScript developers than those, for example, skilled in Rust, Go, or Ruby. Trust me, we learned it the hard way. Imagine how powerful it is to have front-end, back-end developers and QAs using the same programming language. It's so much easier to share knowledge or, for example, train full-stack developers. We've made a strategic decision to use TypeScript as our primary programming language. It works very well for us. Maybe it will also work for you. Give it a try, you won't regret it.